So this is the question number 7 from CBSE sample paper midterm 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So in this particular question, a text file student.txt has been given to you, which has been stored in the storage device. Now you need to give the correct option which allow us to open the file in the read mode. So you have been given some options, and out of these given option, you need to find the correct one which allow us to open the file in read mode. In order to answer these kind of question, first of all, you should be aware how to open a file in Python. Second one, what are the access modes we have and what are the functionality or operations they provide. So first thing first, in order to open a file, you need to use open function, which will allow us to use two parameters. First one is file name, that is abc.txt or myfile.txt, student.txt, whatever is the name of the file, and access mode. Access mode क्या करता है? Basically, it allows us to provide the functionality in which mode we are trying to open the file. Either we are trying to open the file in reading only purpose, writing purpose, or both reading and writing. Access mode in open function is optional in nature. That means if you don't provide any value to access mode, it will automatically take as read mode. Okay, this is an important point to remember. You can take a note of it. अगर हम access mode के अंदर कोई value provide नहीं कराएंगे तो it will take automatically read mode. Now coming to access modes in Python. So basically we have three major modes. First one is R, that is read, then append, then write. And what are the operations they allow? R mode allow only reading operation. While comes to the append and W, it will allow both. It will allow only writing operation. Then we have a plus mode. Plus mode is can be used as access mode R, A, and W in conjunction with R, A, and W, and it will allow us to use both reading as well as writing operation. And this one we're talking about for .txt files or .csv file. In case of binary file, in order to distinguish from other files, we need to append B with access mode. तो जो भी हमारे access mode है R, A, and W, we need to append B with them so that interpreter will be able to distinguish from the other types of file. Now coming to our question, in order to find which options open the file in read mode, let's see the first one. First one is trying to open a text file in the RB mode. This is not possible. Why? We are trying to open a text file in the binary mode, which is not correct or not possible even. In the second option, we are trying to open a text file in the W mode. This is not our required manner. हमें W mode में open नहीं करनी. We need to open a read mode. Now coming back to the third part, we need to open a text file in the read mode. This is the correct one. Okay. And similarly, in this fourth one, since no access mode has been provided, the automatically default mode is read mode. So both option number 3 and 4 are the correct one. Hence, option number C is the correct one. I hope you understood the point, what we are trying to convey here. Okay. In order to answer these kind of question, you should be remembering what are the access mode and how to open a file so that it will allow us to help in the long run. Okay. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, guys, then that's it for the day then.